Welcome dear friends in my most popular YouTube channel Physics Make It Simple. So today is a lecture number 16 regarding rotational dynamics, and today we are going to learn theorem of perpendicular axis. For that purpose I have drawn a diagram on the board. How the diagram is, let us see. This diagram is like this. Suppose this is a plane lamina. One axis is exactly perpendicular to the plane lamina. Another two axes are mutually perpendicular to each other like this. So this is the position. This is the position of the axis like this. These two axes are mutually perpendicular into the lamina, while one axis is perpendicular to the lamina. That means here these x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other, no doubt, but they are in the lamina. They are in the lamina. See here, they are in the lamina like this. They are in the lamina. Two axes are in the lamina, and this axis is exactly perpendicular to the plane lamina. From this figure, what we observe, all the three axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Suppose this is a x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Z-axis is perpendicular to the lamina. It is not only perpendicular to the lamina, but it also perpendicular to x-axis and y-axis. All these three axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. This is the most important thing, dear student. And another important thing is that two axes, this axis and this axis, these two axes are in the lamina. They are not only perpendicular to each other, but they are in the lamina, and these two axes meet together. These two axes meet together where the perpendicular axis cuts the lamina. This x-axis and y-axis, they meet together at point O, where perpendicular axis cuts the lamina. At point O, perpendicular axis is cutting to the lamina. At that position, these x and y axis meet together. This is the simplest explanation of this diagram. What is this IZ? What is this IX? What is this IY? That we will see now. See here. What is IZ? Mi of a plane lamina about an axis perpendicular to the plane lamina like this. This is IZ. What is Ix plus Iy? Sum of moment of inertia of a plane lamina about two mutually perpendicular axes meet together. These are the two mutually perpendicular axes like this. These are the two mutually perpendicular axes like this. See here, these are the two perpendicular axes meet together where the perpendicular axis cuts the lamina. That explanation we should learn at first. So I have written here Ix plus Iy, sum of mi of a plane lamina about two mutually perpendicular axes meet together. Where they meet? At point O. At point O means where the perpendicular axis cutting the lamina. At that point, these two axes are meeting. Draw parallelogram like this. Take a P point which is at a distance r from point O. This mass of an element here is dm. Let dm is a element of a dm is a mass of element. Mass of element. That is the thing. Then now I have taken this triangle, rectangular triangle OMP. Before that, what is Iz? What is Ix plus Iy? What is the values of Iz? What is the values of Ix? What is the value of Iy? That we will have to learn at first. Moment of inertia is nothing but the product of mass into distance square. And from the element, we have to calculate the moment of inertia of a plane lamina. For that purpose, we will have to take an integration. That how that integration is to be taken, that we will see. See here, let moment of inertia of a plane lamina about an axis perpendicular to its plane is Iz, which is equal to distance square. This P point is here. What is distance square? OP square into dm. Distance square into dm is equal to, what is the value of OP? I have quoted it by R, that is integration of R square into dm. This is equation 1. Very simple, very simple. Listen it carefully. Then now, moment of inertia of a plane lamina about x-axis. Where is x-axis? This is the x-axis. This x-axis is at a distance mp from this point. So we can write what? Pm square or mp square into dm, that I have written here. Ix is equal to integration of mp square into dm, which is equal to, if this side is y, then this side is also y. So mp square is equal to y square into dm. Equation 2. Then concentrate on z axis. Very simple. Moment of inertia of a plane lamina about y axis. Where is y axis? This is y axis. Let us ask question, how many distance this y axis is from the point P? This y axis is at a distance x. If this is x, then this is also x. So x square into dm. Integration of x square into dm. What is x? Np. So I have written here, np square into dm is equal to integration of x square into dm. In this way, we got 3 equations in our hand. Then it is more easy now to prove Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. For that purpose, let us take a triangle. Which triangle? See this. OMP. I have written here. Triangle OMP. Use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? OP square is equal to MP square plus OM square. That I have written here. But OM is equal to NP, because in our formula NP is coming. So instead of OM, I will write NP, because OM is equal to NP. So we get here OP square is equal to MP square plus MP square plus NP square, like this, because OM is equal to NP. Then what we have to do? Take integration on both sides. Multiply it by dm on both sides. We'll get what? Integration of OP square into dm is equal to integration of MP square into dm plus integration of NP square into dm. Then it will become more easy now. What is the value of integration of OP square into dm? Integration of OP square into dm is equal to integration of R square into dm. So that I have written here is equal to, what is the value of MP square into dm? Integration of MP square into dm is equal to y square into dm. That I have written here, plus what is the value of NP square? NP square into dm. Integration of NP square into dm is equal to x square, like this. So this integration of x square into dm is equal to Iy. Integration of y square into dm is equal to Ix. Integration of R square into dm is equal to Iz. So that I have written here, using equation 1, 2 and 3, we write what? Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. And from that equation, we will have to write the statement of theorem of perpendicular axis. What is Iz? That I have written here. moment of inertia of a plane lamina about an axis perpendicular to the plane is equal to sum of, this is sum of mi of a plane lamina about two mutually perpendicular axes, like this, about two mutually perpendicular axes, where that axes are in the lamina. About two mutually perpendicular axes are in the plane lamina, meet together where the perpendicular axis cuts the lamina. This is the statement of theorem of perpendicular axes that I have written here. What is the description of Iz? Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. What is Iz? I will repeat again. Mi of a plane lamina about an axis perpendicular to the plane lamina is equal to Ix plus Iy, sum of mi of plane lamina about two mutually perpendicular axes meet together. Where they meet? Where the perpendicular axis cuts the lamina. This is simple. That is a statement. And in this way we have proved Iz is equal to Ix plus Iy. Goodbye dear students, and we will meet again by taking next article in the next lecture. Okay.